Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Feel the rhythm of your breath, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility into your being. Now, bring your awareness to your physical heart. Visualize it as a vibrant, glowing organ, pulsating with vitality and strength. As you focus on your heart, invite Jesus Christ. Feel His loving presence surrounding you, His compassionate gaze filled with understanding and grace. Know that He is here to guide you on your journey of healing. With each breath, affirm to yourself, my heart is strong and healthy. I'm grateful for the work that my heart performs every day, pumping life-giving blood throughout my body. I honor and respect my heart, treating it with kindness. Visualize Jesus standing before you, His hand gently resting on your chest, infusing your heart with His divine light and healing energy. Feel His love washing over you, filling you with a sense of peace and wholeness. Now, take a moment to confess any burdens or regrets that you may be carrying within your heart. Share with Jesus your deepest fears and shortcomings. He listens with an open heart and offers forgiveness without judgment. Feel His loving embrace surrounding you, offering forgiveness for all that you have confessed. With each breath, feel your heart expanding with love and gratitude. Know that you are truly free, released from the weight of past mistakes, able to embrace a future filled with hope and joy. Take a moment to bask in the warmth of Jesus' love. Feel His presence within you, guiding you towards a life of holiness and well-being. Visualize your heart muscle as strong and resilient, each beat sending a surge of energy. See it working in a perfect harmony with the rest of your body, supporting your overall health and well-being. Feel a sense of gratitude for the work that your heart performs every day. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes with a renewed sense of peace and gratitude, knowing that you are deeply loved by Jesus Christ. May this meditation serve as a source of healing and renewal for your heart, mind, and soul.